Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to guide you step by step through one of the most common little hurdles new Shopify store owners run into: how to remove the password page on your Shopify store. By the end of this tutorial, you're going to know exactly how to open up your storefront, making it instantly accessible to potential customers, all without any guesswork. Let's jump right in. First, start by going over to your Shopify admin page. This is your store's main control hub, and you're probably pretty familiar with it by now. If you're not, don't worry. It's simply the place where you manage all aspects of your Shopify shop, from products to payments and everything in between. Once you're in the admin area, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen and click where it says Online Store. This section is basically your command center for everything related to how your site looks and feels to shoppers. Clicking Online Store will open up a list of sections underneath it. Think of these as rooms in your digital shop that you can customize. Next, go ahead and select Preferences from that list. Preferences is where you control some of the more general settings of your online store. Things like your homepage title, meta description, and importantly for us today, store access. Scroll down a little until you see Store Access. Right under this heading, you'll see the password protection setting. Let's pause here for a second. The password page is that lock screen that customers see if they visit your site before you've officially opened it up. This is a default feature that Shopify uses to help you build your store in private, kind of like putting up curtains in a new shop before the grand opening. Now, here's where things split based on what kind of Shopify plan you have. If you're a Shopify Premium user, or in other words, you've picked a paid plan, you'll see an option that lets you simply disable password protection. All you have to do is uncheck or turn off the password, and just like that, your store is open to the world. This is a quick one-click change, so don't worry if you're worried about accidentally making the store public too soon. You have full control. On the other hand, if you're still on Shopify's free trial or haven't picked a plan yet, you'll notice there isn't an option to turn off the password outright. Instead, you'll see a message letting you know that you need to select a plan in order to remove the password protection. Think of it as Shopify's way of saying, are you ready to launch your store for real? If you are, just follow the prompt. Select the plan that fits your needs, and then, once you've upgraded, come back to this spot and you'll be able to disable the password right away. And that's all there is to it. Removing your password page is a small but essential final step before sharing your store with the world, and now you know how to do it confidently. If you hit any snags or have questions about Shopify settings, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'm always here to help. And if this video helped you out, give it a like and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your Shopify journey.